Hello students, in the previous videos we had done the revision of true false and fill in the blanks of lesson 1 to 5, and in today's video we will be doing the revision of lesson from 1 to 5, match the columns, then complete the sentence, name the following and label the parts of the picture on the picture of the head. Okay, so let's begin. First question, match the following. Here column A and column B is given. In the column A, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. In column B, taste, smell, feel, see and hear. Now we have to see, when you were in first standard you were matching it like this, but now we don't have to match here. Answers are there. For first question, what is the answer? You have to see, and you have to see this letters, which, suppose for example, eyes. Now eyes, what is the work of the eyes, function of the eyes? To see. So what is this? D. So what you will write? We will write answers are there. That first question, the answer is D. Now ears, what is the work of the ear? To hear. So second question, what is the answer? E. So like this you have to write. Then next is nose. What is the work of the nose? To smell. So B. Third answer is B. Fourth, what is the function of the tongue? Function means what is the work? Tongue to taste. So A. So fourth question, what is the answer? A. And skin, what is the work of our skin? To feel. So feel, C. Many children, I have seen that they don't know how to write this. They write ABCD, anything they write and come in exam. So you have to see that you have to, whatever is the answer, this letter you have to write here. Okay, don't write anything. When they are matching, the answer is right, but when they are just writing, they are writing anything. So you should see to it that this letter should be written. If the answer eyes, C, so D. That way you have to write. Okay, now we'll see with the help of the pictures. So what is the work of the eyes? To see. Work of the nose? To smell. Work of the mouth? Tongue? Taste. Because of the tongue only we come to know what is the taste of the food. Then ear, to hear things. If mommy is calling you, how you will come to know that mommy is calling you? Through your ear. Whatever you are seeing with the help of the eyes. Whatever you are eating, you come to know that it is sweet, sour, that way, through your tongue. Spicy, like that. All the taste you come to know through the tongue. So understood this thing? Now next we'll do complete the sentence. Now half the sentence will be given to you, and this pink, whatever is written as pink, that you have to write. We need food to dash. Why we need food? To grow and to get energy for work and to remain healthy. So basically we are eating food. Why we are eating food? So that we can grow. Now if you eat food slowly, when you are eating food, you will grow. Growing not only in height, growing in every way. Your all the parts of the body is growing, everything is growing inside and outside. And when we eat food, we get the energy. And if we don't eat food, what will happen? We feel weak. So we need food to grow, comma, to get energy for work and to remain healthy. Next, two sources of food are, from where do we get food? We get food from plants and animals. In this chapter we had done that we get food from plants and from animals. Only the thing is that, students, you may be knowing the answer, but when you are writing the answer, you may commit some mistakes in the spellings. So see to it that you are learning the spellings, writing the spellings in, learning it, so you will be perfect. So whenever you learn anything, write and see. Now next, third, the kind of food plants that grow in a place depends on the type of soil and climate there. So we had done, no, whichever plant is growing in a particular area, it all depends upon the type of soil. I gave you examples. Suppose this is a place where the soil is black color. Which color? Black. And in black color, cotton can grow well. Cotton, rui, that plant can grow well, so it will grow there. But this black color soil is not available everywhere, it is available in some areas only. So whichever food is growing, food plant is growing, it all depends upon the soil. What is the type of the soil? Everywhere you cannot grow the same type of crops means this whatever we are eating, wheat, rice, everything is crops. So it all depends upon the type of soil. For example, in Gujarat, if you go to Gujarat, you get black soil and there cotton is grown more, and groundnut is grown more. But same thing cannot be grown in Maharashtra. Means it is growing in some places but not everywhere. But like more crops are of cotton and groundnut is grown in Gujarat. Same way in Maharashtra, more of rice is grown. Then in Punjab, most of means that there the soil and the climate is suitable to grow wheat and maize, and this pea, matar, chana, those things grow more there in north side of India. So every place grows different crops depending upon the soil and the climate there. So now next, vegetarians are people who eat food grown on plants. So those who are eating the food which are grown on plants are known as vegetarian. Now name the following two cereals. In the previous video also I told cereal means any you can write. You have to write only two, not all. Cereal means like mummy is making chapati of which grains? Wheat. Then some Maharashtrian people they make rice bhakar. Then some people make jawar bhakris. then bajra, especially Jawari. Maharashtrian people normally eat Jawari rice bhakris, and Gujarati people eat mostly bajra bhakris and nachni bhakris. So you can write any two. So which is easy, good, like you will remember the spellings that you write. Okay, so I've written here wheat and rice. Now two pulses. Pulses means all types of dals, all dals, and whichever dal name you can remember, you can write here. Like tur dal is there. Every day mummy may be making tur dal along with rice, because that is a normal combination, tur dal and rice. And masoor dal also, many people are eating that masoor dal. It is pinkish in color little. Then tur, masoor, moong is there. Urad dal is there. Then rajma is there. So like this you can write any two, whichever. It is not that only you have to write this two only. If you know other dal name, you can write that also, no problem. It all dal comes under pulses. Fine. Now an animal that gives us milk. Who gives us milk? See. Who is giving milk? Cow. Even goat gives milk. If you write goat also, no problem, you will get the right answer. But normally we drink cow milk. Goats are not available here, so normally we get cow's milk. So, but you can write cow or goat, no problem. So only one animal is asked. So an animal means they have asked only one. So I have written cow. An animal that gives us meat. Now you get meat from chicken also. Hen. So you can write hen also, or you get from this goat meat also. So any you write, you get the right answer. So here I have written goat. An animal that gives us eggs. Who gives us eggs? Here you can see hen is giving eggs. Some people eat duck egg also. So if you write duck also, no problem. The answer should be right and it should be relevant. People who do not eat meat. Now who is not eating meat are known as vegetarians. Next question is, label the parts on the picture of the head. Now this is the head. Teacher will give you the picture only. Teacher will not write the names. So you have to write. Now some may write your hair, some may write head, no problem, because it's okay, this is a part of the head only. So no, hair, I have written your hair. Then this is eyes, then tongue, then here is ears and nose. Okay, but now students, we have to, when we are doing this, spellings are very very important. So let's revise some spellings. In match the column, no problem, you have understood, you must have understood how to answer it. Now complete the sentence. What are the important words? We need food to grow. Grow spelling, grow, grow. When we say which letters or sound comes as per that, G and row, grow. Some spellings are very easy, no need of breaking also, directly you know the spellings, but some are big and you need to break it. Grow, to get energy. Now your energy, ener, ENER, energy, GY, energy. Then for work, W, it's easy, WRK, work. Then and remain healthy. Remain re r e re main m a i n remain healthy. Health spelling h e a l t h health. And why healthy? Students, along with knowledge you need perfection also. So perfection, how it will come? Only if you learn the spellings properly. When you learn spellings properly, you get all answers right when you write the right answer. Otherwise all like you have written right but all wrong spellings, then what will happen? Lot of marks will be, many like marks will be cut, and you'll get very less marks though you have written the right answer. Okay, one fourth marks will go, so you will get very less marks. So you should always try to get good marks without any, no spelling mistake should be there. Now two sources of food are plants and animals. Plants, plan, plan, plant, ants, plants. And animals, any, ani, muls, mals, muls. Then the kind of food plants that grow in a place depends on the type. Now type, ty, ty, type, and p, type of soil, so s, and oil, 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 soil. And climate, cli, 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 mate, mate, mate. There spelling, the spelling, and re, there. Vegetarians are people who eat food grown. Grow spelling grow, grow, and n, grown, on plants. Pla, 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 ants, plants. I have done here plants. Or pl, plant, and ant spelling ants. Ant spelling you may be knowing, plant, ns, plants. Now name the following two cereals. Now one more problem children are facing, they are not, some children they don't read questions. What is the question asked? So always read the question, what, name the following. But to read this you should know reading. How you will get the habit of reading? When you read thing, all the books like English textbooks, when you go on reading English textbooks, then EVS textbooks, maths textbooks, just reading do. And story books you read, when you go on reading, your reading skills will develop, and you will be able to read everything properly. And then it will be easy in during exam, that what is this, no need of asking teacher, you can read on your own. Why? Because you have done a lot of practice of reading. So two cereals, two means two, they are asking two cereal. Now wheat and rice, here also many children know the answer but they write any spelling, so their marks goes in that only. So wheat, wh, v, and eat spelling eat, eat, wheat. Then rice, r, and ice, 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 rice. But you can write, break the word rye, and ce, rice, like that also. Just to remember you can write r and ice spelling like that. Then two pulses, tur and masur. Tur is easy, tur, and masur, ma, ma, sur, masur. An animal that gives us milk, cow, cow, it's very easy, since lower class you are learning 3-letter words. An animal that gives us meat, goat, go, and oat, you can write at, oat, oat. Oats you are eating, no, oats, goat, so goat. An animal that gives us eggs. Hen. Hen, it is easy, no problem. People who do not eat meat. Vegetarians. Veggie, V-E-G-E, veggie. Tay, T-A-Tay. Rians, R-I-A-N-S. See, it becomes so easy. Now here, only you have to remember the spellings of this. Whichever part is asked, hair, H, and air spelling, air, A-I-R. Or you can divide the hair, H, hair, and I-R, hair. Then eyes, I-E, and yes, or E-I-A-Y-I-S, yes, eyes, is. When we say I-A-Y and eyes, yes, so eyes. Anyway, you should just remember the spelling, that is more important. Tongue, tongue, T-O-N, tongue. And when we say tongue, what sound comes? U-E sound comes. Tongue. Then yours. E, it's easy, yours, no problem. Then nose, no. And when we say nose, S-E sound is coming. So this way you should try to learn always. Whatever answers you learn, whichever answers you're learning, you have to see that you should know the spellings. Without spelling, your answers will have no meaning, and all marks will go in wrong spellings. So this was a revision. So we have finished with it, and in the next revision we'll be doing question answers. Okay, so thank you, students.